Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
XNX gas detector calibration 2022 price Dominican Republic. The answer of the question is I do not have specific prices pricing information for XNX gas detector calibration in the Dominican Republic for 2022. It's best to check with local suppliers or calibration service providers for accurate and current pricing. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have a question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you. As I soon as I can, thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.